Welcome to Cougars Chic Fashion TV, your home for timeless beauty, fierce confidence, and fabulous fashion over 40. Today, we bring you trending timeless fashion for beautiful older women over 40 and 50. These 5 expert tips will help you stay effortlessly stylish season after season. 1. Build a capsule wardrobe with classics. Anchor your style with timeless staples: white button-up shirts, dark denim, trench coats, pencil skirts, and black blazers. These pieces never go out of style and can be mixed and matched all year round. 2. Add a modern twist to classic looks. Pair a classic with a trending item, like sneakers with a midi skirt or a leather jacket over a flowy dress. This balance keeps your look current while staying true to timeless fashion roots. 3. Choose flattering neutrals and bold accents. Neutral tones, beige, navy, gray, and white, create a sleek base. Add bold accents like a red lip, colorful scarf, or statement bag. It's the contrast that brings timeless fashion to life with personality and flair. 4. Tailored pieces are your best friends. Well-fitted trousers, blazers, and dresses will instantly elevate your look and flatter your shape. No matter the trend, a perfect fit is always in style. 5. Invest in quality over quantity. Timeless fashion is about longevity. Choose well-made garments that feel good, last long, and look sharp. One beautifully crafted piece will outlast 5 fast fashion finds. And there you have it, 5 timeless tips to keep your style on point at any age. At Cougars Chic Fashion TV, we believe that fashion is forever, and over 40 is just the beginning of your most stylish era yet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stunning inspiration, because trending can be timeless when you wear it with confidence.